Hey, welcome to the Backwoods Gourmet Tuesday Tips and Tricks. Today I'm going to show you how to season a brand new Dutch oven. Just happen to have one from Overmont right here. Sorry you guys going to hear a little fan noise here on the set today. Got some smoke going on, had to get this blown out, hardly no wind. I got 3/4 of a chimney of Kingsford going there on the Weber Kettle, and that's what we're going to use to season this thing off with. Let's keep them smoking up the house. All right, when I get this guy ready to season, what I'm going to use is a little oil sprayer. Okay, this was actually the one from Corona de Shea. I used all the oil in, came with the tree nut oil in it originally. I've used it all up. It's a great product for you know, seasoning your grills. Got a little ashes on it there from starting the charcoal, but it was actually some great oil for the especially for the Sportsman's grill. So go ahead and set it down there. We'll get all the surfaces, including the handle, and this just makes your work so much easier than sitting there trying to wipe it, you know, worrying about your cloth, whatever you're using, picking up a little lint off of it or whatever. So we just season that whole thing and every surface on it in just a few minutes using a little pump sprayer like this. I'll spread those out nice and even, just like we're barbecuing a big batch of hamburgers. And we'll go ahead. I needed to get this guy hot anyway. I've cooked so much slow on it lately that a lot of grease is built up in the bottom and it's getting where I can't. All right, so I got the bottom vents all the way open. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the lid on, and we're gonna let that baby come up about 450, and I'm gonna use the top vent, bottom vent, to try to regulate about 475. So that didn't take long for that to get up to 475. So I'm gonna go ahead. You can't do both pieces at the same time because the grill's not big enough. So go ahead and turn that guy upside down, right in the top. Then we'll have to do the lids separately. We'll try to keep that 475 for a while. So folks, all I did was leave that on there till it burned out and let it cool completely back down on its own, and it really looks pretty good. Let's take a look at the other side. It's nice and black and still rough. You know, sometimes it takes quite a bit of work to get these smoothed out in the bottom. Like I said, we may give it some help later. So now we're going to do exactly the same thing with the lid. Alright, so we did the same thing to that lid and let it stand there overnight. Now it's cooled down. So let's pull it out. The seasoning turned out really nice. There we go. Where you got to offset those tabs. Here we got a brand new Overmont Dutch oven. I'm going to put that, I don't know what we're going to do with it. We're going to do something with it.